In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Spotify status on Discord. If you've ever wanted your friends to see what you're listening to in real time, this is the simplest way to do it. When it's set up, Discord shows a small Listening to Spotify status with the track title, artist, and album art on your profile and next to your name, making it easy for others to discover your music and even join in if they have Spotify Premium. Here's how to turn it on. Open Discord and head to User Settings, which you'll find by selecting the gear icon near your profile area. Inside Settings, go to Connections. In the Connections page, look for Spotify. When you're in the Spotify section, toggle on the option labeled Display Spotify as your status. That switch tells Discord to share your current Spotify track as your status whenever you're listening. If you're on mobile, you'll find the same option by opening your profile, tapping Connections, selecting Spotify, and enabling the same display toggle. Once the toggle is on, play something on Spotify and give Discord a moment to refresh. You should see your status update automatically while the music is playing. Friends will be able to view the song details, and if they're eligible, they can click to listen along or open the track directly in Spotify. It's a smooth way to let your community know your current vibe without saying a word. A few helpful notes as you use this. The toggle appears in Discord only when Spotify is connected in your connections, so if you don't see Spotify listed there, the status option won't be available yet. Also, the status only shows while you're actively listening, so pausing for a while or closing Spotify will make it disappear. If your overall presence is hidden or restricted, others may not see the listening status even if it appears on your end. Spotify's private session will also prevent the status from showing, and going offline in Spotify can stop updates from reaching Discord. Some content, like certain podcasts or local files, might not display as a listening status. Finally, there can be a slight delay before Discord updates the track, which is normal. That's all there is to it. With Display Spotify as your status turned on in User Settings, under Connections, in the Spotify section, your music will be shared automatically whenever you press play. Enjoy showcasing your soundtrack, and I'll see you in the next one.